In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Get Lucky by Daft Punk featuring Pharrell Williams and Nile Rodgers. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. We've come too far to give up who we are, so let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's an exclusive chord chart for Get Lucky, which you'll find on my Patreon page and my ukulele songbook. So click on that link in my description box below and access your chord chart today. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are A minor, C major, E minor, and D major. Now, if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. Take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. And the last chord for the song is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. 1 and 2 and A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 1 turn of the strum pattern, C major for 1 turn, E minor for 1 turn, and then D major for 1 turn of the strum pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, E minor, down, tap, down, pause, D major, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's play the chord progression and the strumming pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, C major, down, tap, down, pause, E minor, down, tap, down, pause, D major, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through Get Lucky. 1, 2, 3. Like the legend of the phoenix, all ends with beginnings. What keeps planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Too far to give up who we are, so let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun, I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun, I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun, we're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun, we're up all night to get lucky. 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 Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Get Lucky. And that's you play Get Lucky by Daft Punk featuring Pharrell Williams and Nile Rodgers. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leilani Kalulau for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe to access your exclusive chord chart on my Patreon page, and check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.